Hi, it's been a while since I did a point of view video on my channel, so today I thought I'd decide to do another one, but this time I'll be shooting on 35mm film on Kodak Portra 400 using my new camera, the Voltlander Bessa R2A. And it's a new camera, so I'm still getting used to all of the controls and the functions, but it should be pretty fun walking around the streets of Toronto today and just taking some pictures. My first location was at Toronto Eaton Centre. My sister had to return some stuff, so I decided to take some pictures in the meantime. I realized that I haven't really been documenting the pandemic as much as I wanted to, so that was kind of my goal for today, to kind of document life as it is, especially with all of the Lunar New Year decorations. I really liked the layering of the floors here, and I wanted to take a photograph here with all the decorations as well. A couple minutes later, I noticed a little girl with a single balloon. I thought it was really cute, so I wanted to photograph it. I really like this photo. It's such a simple moment in time that I'm grateful that I got to capture. So the next location was Nathan Phillips Square. I was walking there and I noticed this subway entrance, and I was intrigued by the pigeons on top of it. I know I was mainly focused on the pigeons, but I just love the little pops of primary colors that was included in this photo. And now here's Nathan Phillips Square. I was trying to photograph people skating, but it was kind of hard to find compositions. Here in the subway station, I knew that I wanted a motion blur shot. I was prepared to take a photo when the subway came, but I realized I hadn't advanced the film inputting my settings, and I thought I missed the shot. It was so cold that day in Toronto. Even the pigeons were huddled up and trying to keep warm. As I was walking by, I noticed this smoke coming out of the ground. I thought it made for an interesting view. As you can see, I got very excited and I took a photo here. I also really like the color of the building here. Despite living in the GTA and visiting Toronto countless times in my life, I've actually never took a picture of the Gooderham building before, so I wanted to take a picture here. I've also been meaning to visit the St. Lawrence Market for a while, so I wanted to do some street photography here. I have to admit, I wasn't really sure what I was looking for. As I was walking by this lobster section, I liked how all of the workers were wearing a blue hat and it all matched. So that's what prompted me to take this photo. I went downstairs to the basement and I was trying to find a composition of this Canadian gift shop for such a long time. I stood and a stranger came in, and that was the perfect moment. As I was walking, I noticed the owner and his dog was looking up at a building, and I thought that was such a cute moment, but I kind of missed it here as he turned away. I'm not sure why I was so intrigued by this Dollarama window, but I wanted to kind of document the people inside of, wearing masks and doing their daily shopping. And over here I was trying to finish off my roll, and I didn't like the reflections of the street lights on the ground, so I was just trying to take a photo here. And I'll finish off this video by showing you a couple other photos that were on this roll. Thank you so much for watching, and if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe if you like my content, and I'll see you in the next video.